I rise today to bring to the attention of this august house a very grave and alarming threat to public health in Kerala. Sir, recent raids conducted in Kozhikode, Thrissur and Thiruvananthapuram have revealed a shocking truth. Spurious, substandard, poor quality medicines have flooded the pharma market. And sir, this is not a small lapse. These raids expose the utter failure and shameful inefficiency of the State Drugs Control Department. Its negligence has allowed an unregulated network of manufacturers and marketing companies to push substandard medicines from outside Kerala bypassing essential quality checks. And the problem is not limited to Kerala. This is an alarming surge of counterfeit medicines nationwide. So beyond counterfeit medicines, the government sector in Kerala has collapsed completely. Dr. Harris of Trivandrum Medical College forced to publicly reveal the pathetic state of affairs. Basic surgical tools are unavailable. Surgeries are postponed indefinitely. Operation theatres remain idle due to lack of maintenance and supplies. Doctors' repeated plea go unheard, and patients are compelled to buy surgical items out of their own pocket. This is not an administrative or system error. This is complete misgovernance. And sir, the tragic building collapse at Kottayam Medical College claiming the life of poor Bindu stands as a painful symbol of collapse of the healthcare system and sector in Kerala under the government led by Chief Minister Sri Pinarayi Vijayan. Chairman sir, നമ്മൾ കേരളം ഇന്ന് തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പിലേക്ക് പോകുകയാണ്. മാറ്റത്തിന്റെ പുതിയ ജാതകം കുറിക്കുകയാണ്. ജനങ്ങളെ മറന്ന മുന്നമാരുടെ ബ്രിഡ്ജ് പണിയുന്നവരുടെയും അന്തർധാര അവസാനിപ്പിക്കുന്നതിന് ഇതൊരു സാമ്പിൾ ആണ്. അടിപൊളി വെടിക്കെട്ട് വരുന്നതേ ഉള്ളൂ. Thank you, sir. Therefore, I strongly urge the central government to direct Central Drug Standard Organization under Naddaji to conduct
I will come to the point. You please, my dear. You please, my dear. I am coming to the
of the Drugs Control Department of Kerala to restore transparency and ensure the safety and quality of medicines across the state. So Kerala goes to post today, and it be the victory of
Now, what is the point of order? You please, my dear.